How to install Google Tag Manager on Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to install your Google Tag Manager into your Google Sites. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over tagmanager.google.com, sign in for our Google account, and then we're going to create a new account for our Google site. So the process here is not going to be as sophisticated as it should be, but it is going to be the case. We're going to have a bunch or a couple of embed blocks, and you're going to have those as set up. And here we go. Now we're going to choose the website. We're going to head over the parameter, and we're going to head over the custom domain that we have. As you can see, we are going to get the link, so we're going to view the published website. Now we're going to head over a Tag Manager again and type in here Google, for example, site. And you're going to choose the country, the container name, or your website. We're going to find it here, copy, and paste it just like that. As you can see, container name. So let's see here, what do we have? Example, my site. So we are going to head over here. We're going to delete the HTTPS. We're going to have things like that. Target platform is going to be a website. We're going to click on create, yes, and wait for it. Now what we're going to do is to have this code put into the header. So we're going to head over to the website, add an embed block, click on embed by code, paste in here this one, click on insert. We're going to let it add here. We're going to click on embed also, embed by code. We are going to add another one, which is going to be here on the body. So like that. We're going to insert them just like that. And we're going to click on publish. This is going to be the case. We're going to publish all of these. Now we're going to test our website by heading over here and view the live version of our website. So we're going to put it just like that. We're going to test and see. Normally it is going to read it, but it is going to take a little bit of time, so it is going to be the case. And with that, as you can see, it have read the website, tested positive. Boom, and here you go. So you can go ahead and set up the tags, set up triggers, variables, and templates. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.